Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to block specific apps from internet access on Windows 11, 10. Type wf.msc in Windows search bar, click wf.msc. Right-click Outbound Rules, click New Rule. Browse application path. Select application. Check block the connection. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.